Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pi Network Coin. Now, after hitting its all-time low, Pi Coin have actually hit over 600% increase in price. That was about December 30th, 2022 when Pi hit its all-time low with a price of $3.96. Yes, as of December 30th, Pi was trading at $3.96, and today Pi coin is trading at $27.68 as of all the time of recording this video. Pi is trading at $27.68. Pi have actually hit over 600% increase in price since the beginning of the year. Now, one thing to understand, according to CoinMarketCap actually, but this is not the actual price, because we believe that this is not the actual price because Pi mainnet have not been launched, and this is just an estimate. And I also believe that yes, this is kind of a preview of what might be happening with Bitcoin, and I'm happy to see an impressive over 600% increase in price in just 4 months. Wow, this coin is going to break so many records. Bitcoin is going to break a lot of records in crypto industry. I'm happy to see this coin getting massive listening. I'm also happy to see Pi Network about to get launched, and I'm happy to see that over 600% in the past 4 months is amazing. And I'm happy that Bitcoin have a lot of global million users. So by the time everything is right, don't be surprised to see Pi Network Coin doing a lot. But Pi Network Coin, I also believe, dominated the Asian continent, but no, it will be difficult to dominate other continents. But I believe they still have millions of global users all around the world. Once this coin is launched, a lot of things will be happening. Let's hope for the best, and I believe that yes, Pi Network still remain one of the best crypto coins of all time, because they've gotten a lot of millions of global users. They've broken a lot of records already, and yet this coin has not been launched. Imagine when this coin will be launched, a lot of things will be happening with Pi Network. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.